Welcome to today's tutorial. We're making a beautiful tulip flower coaster perfect for adding a soft, floral touch to your table. This coaster not only protects surfaces, but also brightens your home with handmade charm. You'll need 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project is a fun and satisfying make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative crochet ideas. Ready? Let's get started. For round 1, we begin with a magic ring. Chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Now make 15 double crochets into the ring. Once done, slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to close the round. Great job! Tip: make sure your stitches are evenly spaced around the ring so your flower lies flat. Don't worry if it curls slightly, it will flatten out as you go. Moving on to round 2, chain 3 again. This counts as your first double crochet. Now, make 1 double crochet increase in each stitch around. That means 2 double crochets in every stitch from the previous round. You should have 30 stitches at the end. Slip stitch to join. Nice work! Tip: count your stitches after increasing to avoid any gaps in the petal base later. Next, round 3, chain 3, then repeat this pattern all around. 1 double crochet, followed by a double crochet increase in the next stitch. Do this 15 times total. You'll end up with 45 stitches. Slip stitch to join. You're doing fantastic. Tip: use a stitch marker if you lose. Count, it really helps with accuracy. Let's start round 4. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This forms the base of a tulip petal. Repeat the pattern. Skip 2 stitches, then DC, chash 1, DC into the next all around. Slip stitch to the first DC to close. Tip: this round starts shaping the tulip petals. Take your time with spacing. Now for round 5. In the first chain 1 space, chain 4 and make 4 double crochets, slip stitch to that same space. Then chain 4 and move to the next chain 1 space. Repeat this all around, 5DC, slist, 4, each set forming 1 tulip petal. Slip stitch to finish the round. Amazing progress. Tip: keep your chains and petals consistent in height for a neat look. Finally, round 6, chain 1. Into each chain, 4 space from the previous round, make 1 single crochet, then 1/2 double crochet, followed by 4 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this around in every chain 4 space. Slip stitch to the first SC to complete your coaster. You did it. Tip: this round gives the tulip its final shape. Adjust your tension for smooth curves. Your Tulip Flower Coaster is now complete. Isn't it beautiful? Perfect for tea time or as a handmade gift. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crafty friends. See you in the next one. Happy crocheting!